Last year, I made a video tutorial on how to install AUR packages manually, as well as how to use some helpers, such as yaourt and aurman. But unfortunately, both these AUR helpers are discontinued at the moment. So I decided to update that video and show you yai, which is probably the most recommended AUR helper at the moment. Let's have a look how to install and use it. To be able to compile and install any AUR package, you need to have these programs installed on your computer. Even if you have installed them before, you can still run this command, as I will do right now, just to make sure that these programs are installed on your computer. And when you are asked what to install, just select Default All and agree to install them. As you can see, in my case, almost all these programs are skipped because they are installed already on my system. I'm not going into all the details about the manual installation of AUR packages. If you want to learn how to install AUR package manually and how to make the compilation process as efficient as possible, you can watch my previous video on AUR helpers. In this video, I will go straight into the installation of yai program. If you go to the AUR webpage and find yai webpage, you will see this link. This is what we need to download the source code of yai. I will copy it. Next, you need to go to your terminal, and as I recommended in the previous video, you need to create a specific folder where you will compile all the AUR packages. In my case, it's just called programs. So I will enter that directory and start compiling yai package here. So first we need to clone the repository of yai. To do that, you need to run the command git clone and paste the link you copied from the AUR webpage. When the repository is cloned, you should have yai folder in your programs folder. I will enter it, and if I list the packages here, you can see there is only this package build file. You can check its content. I'm not going to change anything, so I will just proceed with compiling. And to compile AUR package, you need to run the command make package with option SI. And the compilation process has started. You will need to enter your password to install it and confirm the installation process. So now yai is installed. Let's clean this screen, exit from this yai directory and test if we have yai installed on our system. So as you can see, yai is installed and you can see its help menu. So the usage of yai program is pretty simple. You just need to run the command and the program you want to install. I usually use Spotify as example because it is never in the official repositories. So if I run yai Spotify, it will show me all the available options of packages which contain name Spotify in them. Here is the Spotify which you probably would like to install. So from here you can select option 2, press enter and the compilation of Spotify program will start. And you can select to install it. I will not install it because I want to show you another option. If you know the name of the package, you don't need to search for it. You just type yai and then you use option S, which is the same as in Pacman, the default package manager of Arch Linux. And then you type the name of the program you want to install. And it will start the installation right away. I will select the first option here. Okay, it complains that the build files exist, so I don't want to see the differences. And I proceed with installation. So Spotify is installed, and if I go to my menu and search for it, it is here. I can open it, and as you can see, it works. You can also use yai to search for packages both in the AUR and in the official repositories. To do that, you type the command yai with option capital S and small s and the name of the package. For example, let's search for LibreOffice. And as you can see, it also shows some packages which are available in the official repository and the AUR. Finally, if you need to update all the packages, including the AUR packages, you can run yai with standard option SUY, which is again the same syntax as in the Pacman. So if you proceed with the installation, yai will install all the packages from the official repository, as well as it will compile and install packages from the AUR. which is a pretty good solution because you can update your whole system just with one command. As you can see now, yai is installing packages from the official repositories, and after some time it started to compile the packages from the AUR. You can also use yai to remove all the unneeded dependencies from your system. So as you can see, these are the dependencies which are not necessary anymore on my system. So I will remove them. If you need to remove an AUR package, you can use pacman with option R, or you can use yai with the same syntaxes. And you can also add option NS to remove all the dependencies associated with this package. So I have removed Spotify from my system. Finally, if you want to learn more about yai and its options, you can always go to the man page of this program and read more details about all the available options and how to use them. Give a like to this video if it was helpful, and thank you for watching.